Goes. It's right up there. Ain't that pretty? Yellow right around the beaks and everything. Real yellow. Wow, that's a bright yellow. Eating real good, but everybody else is coming too. Look at that. Oh, there's some more. He's gonna have friends. They're making their way up there. Don't seem to mind that I'm standing right out here. So cute. And look at that beak. That cute to watch their little beaks go. Yeah, I heard something in the backwoods too. Just looking like, why are these people looking at me? I got some yum-yums. Oh yeah, there's others. They keep flying in and out. But this one's just staying right there.
He's more hungry than scared of us.
Yeah, definitely.
There's some different ones on the ground.
All kinds of little ones here. Oh, where'd they go? Oh, they're all over the place. Still just watching. So cool. Alright, I hope you've enjoyed my bringing them to you. Quite the beak on him. Oh, he's going to be picky. Throw the rest for the birds on the ground. Alright, bye-bye now.